Hair therapy successfully stimulates hair follicles to reverse the miniaturization process, returning small, fine hairs to healthy, normal-sized hairs. Laser hair therapy emits low-energy light from the red portion of this spectrum, which has been hypothesized to increase blood circulation, promote cellular activity, and reverse the natural breakdown of cells, which is known as apoptosis. Hair follicles subject to increased blood circulation receive more nutrients and eliminate more waste, thus producing healthier hair. It is believed that cells treated with laser hair therapy convert the emitted light energy to adenosine triphosphate, ATP, a molecule that provides cells with usable energy. As extra ATP is produced and more energy becomes available to cells, cellular activity increases. Laser hair therapy stimulates miniaturized hair follicles with nourishing laser light energy. A laser concentrates light waves of a specific wavelength into a coherent beam of monochromatic light. Humans can see a range of energy as colored light, known as the visible light spectrum. Cells use the increased energy to rebuild miniaturized hair follicles, creating a healthy environment for hair production. An FDA study was performed on the efficacy of the MEP90 laser hair growth stimulation system. The FDA study concluded that after 52 treatments, 97% of participating subjects presented an increased hair count of more than 20%, with 77% having an increase of more than 51% more hair. The initial 10-week, 18-week, and 26-week hair counts were recorded with 100% of subjects presenting an upward trend of hair growth from the beginning to the end of the treatments.